Hello, my name is Dr. Mohan Agashi. Now, some of you may know me, but many of you don't. And you're wondering, what am I doing here? So, let me right at the outset tell you something. I'm not here for any publicity campaign or advertising. I'm here to vouch for my dear friend and the work for which I adore him. My friend, also Dr. Vinay Koparkar, a good practicing doctor with wonderful knowledge of skin and venereal diseases, his specialization, and suddenly felt that the men do not respect their existence and don't groom themselves well. And so he went on a study leave, studied grooming of men, and opened the first ever men's salon in Pune. And all my doctor friends were this whimsical guy. Huh? And you know, same doctors were queuing up in his men's salon called Papillon. And of course, I was also part of it. I like two things about Vinay. He's very competent in what he does, and he doesn't do anything unless he has passion for it. So when passion and competence go together, something like Papillon takes birth. After doing it for several years, now he stopped at some point of time. And then he started Papillon Wigs and Weavers, which was a hair solution for all people who either don't have hair or lose hair, and particularly even for cancer patients who undergoing chemotherapy have a lot of problems with the hair. He had tremendous response for that. So everything was fine, everything was going very well. But then he had some life-threatening experience. What is that? He had a non-alcoholic cirrhotic liver, and it was completely damaged, threatening very existence of Vinay. Everybody, including himself, had given up except one thing: hope. And that hope pulled him through, not only to survive, but to undergo major, also life-threatening surgery of liver transplant. And you're never insured of the results of such surgery. But again, his will and perseverance made him not only to go through the surgery, recover very well. And what happened in between? Something which never happens unless you experience life and near-death experiences. Any amount of intelligence, reading, doesn't bring about a change in you which such experience does. And what did it do? It brought a change in his attitude towards life, towards profession, and then he felt convinced that, look, what I've been doing up to now was for a percentage of society which could really afford it. It's a rather high end of socio-economic strata. But after going through this surgery and particularly listening to the stories of some women who undergo chemotherapy for various types of cancer, he was obsessed only with one idea: how can I provide a solution? Not only solution, but a good one and affordable. The major part in today's world, you do get wonderful things, but mostly they are not affordable. And what appeals me the most about his new project and a new portal which is papillonwigs.com. It's exclusively directed towards home delivery of a wig which is as good, which was offered also in earlier services, but this is directed towards making it available at an affordable price from 6,000 onwards at your doorstep, and not only the wig, the entire kit, which gives you information about scientific information about wig, about chemotherapy, about how to use it, what are the possible questions, what are the possible answers, and if not satisfied, where can you further contact. And I think this is remarkable. And the reason I am here is I know for sure this is not business. This is much more than business. It is to bring a quality service to most needy people in a price which they can afford. So this is rare. I don't know of any other agency doing that. I myself have tried to look how many places can I get this. I haven't come across any. The reason I am here is unless I check myself, I don't give such interviews. I don't like it. So please visit papillonwigs.com where you get full information of this essential commodity which brings life back into you, this time through the upper end, through wigs. Right. In spite of my appeal and my true narration, some of you may still feel, oh, they always say that. It's always a part of publicity. If you don't believe me, which you're most welcome to, please speak to these people who have experience and decide for yourself.